Okay, hey. It's been a while since your boy went off, so it's only right I piss a few of them off. Can't stop it, better run interference. Not a baller, you got your wardrobe on clearance. Heir to the 305, birthplace of the 28-inch rim size. Hookman for hire, part-time ghost rider. If you think you hot, I'm a firefighter,
and I'ma put you out, and there's no doubt. I stay grinding on blades like road bounds. I just get them and eat them and then I shit them out. I don't give a fuck what you ain't niggas is talking about. Touch my guarantee you gon' walk it out. I get two-step, you know what I'm talking about. Instead of swag switch, I ain't switch shit. Shit changed now, get the big pick.
You're on the way, niggas still playing the background. I'm meeting up with my homies out in Sacktown. I make it happen like Drake with no deal. In 2 weeks I'ma land out in Jayville. You shorty hit me on the low, say she want chill, so I give her a few rounds, Holyfield. Stop playing, you ain't really on your grind. You only see a G around tax time.
Damn, and you say you grind. Roll call, I'm about to take what's mine. Give me yours or I'll break your spine. Your face in the papers, New York Times. See what happens when you cross those lines. Talking out of pocket like you lost your mind. How you got it like this and you got it like that. I just ran up on a nigga, left his face all cracked. I'm back.
These broke niggas need to pick up the pieces. A-Snoop hit me up for the remix. Sideline rapper, stop all the hate. If you won't take a swing, homie, step to the plate. If not, sit back and spectate. And when you speak on me, get your story straight. Bottom line, this an open invitation for anybody thinking they can take him. I'm gone.
I guess these niggas just don't know that I move too fast, they move too slow. That I'm way up high, they way too low. Shit, I've been gone before, ready, set, go. I switched the swag and switched up the flow. So how you rap but you ain't do no show? How you say you a player but don't got no